Hi, welcome to the channel today. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a PowerPoint file or presentation to a PDF file format. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and this is a file type that originated in the early 90s, and it is still one of the most reliable and most used file types today. At the very beginning of its invention, the team at Adobe wanted to move a file created in Windows to a Mac, and they did struggle to exchange this document or information between machines, systems, and users where the file will look the same and not change. And out of this struggle gave birth to PDF as a file format. There are several advantages of having a file in a PDF format. One aspect which makes PDF a reliable file type is security. So once a file is converted to a PDF format, it becomes difficult to be altered or changed. You can easily add a password to it to give it another layer of security. Another advantage is its portability. Once a file is converted into a PDF format, the original layout of the document, including font, images, remains the same, and it becomes easily portable between machines and systems. The list of advantages goes on and on, and I believe you have your own reasons of wanting to change a PowerPoint file to a PDF file format. So yeah, let me show you how to convert a PowerPoint template or file to a PDF file format so that you can take advantage of this file format for your next project. By the way, if you're looking for high quality, modern, and creative PowerPoint templates, like the one that you're seeing on your screen that you can easily edit for your next project, I will leave a link in the description box of where you can able to get one. Every aspect of the template is editable, so the images could easily be replaced or removed. You could easily change the text. The numbers can be replaced with your own numbers to suit the data story that you are communicating to your audience. You can easily change the footer, the titles, and the numbering. As I said, I will leave the link in the description box below of where you can able to get one. So yeah, let me show you how to convert a PowerPoint template or file to a PDF file format so that you can take advantage of this file format for your next project. To be able to convert your PowerPoint file to a PDF file format, you first have to click on the File tab. Once you click on the File tab, you have to click on Save a Copy. On some versions of PowerPoint, it might say Save As. It's still the same. So let's click on Save a Copy. Once you click on Save a Copy, you have to choose the location or folder that you like to store the intended PDF file. So for these tutorials, I'll be storing mine under OneDrive Personal Tutorials folder. The next box to it is the title box, and this automatically picks up the title of your PowerPoint presentation, but you can edit it or change it to your desired title. So for the purpose of these tutorials, we'll leave the title as it is. The next box is the Save As dialog box, and this contains all the file types. So let's click on the arrow to find out what is in that list. Top of the list is the PowerPoint presentation file format. You also have the PDF file format, which we are looking to convert it to. There is also .mp4 if you like to convert this file into a video format, and also a .png if you like to convert the PowerPoint file into an image file format. For the purposes of these tutorials, we said we would like to convert it to a PDF file format. So let's click on PDF. Clicking on PDF or clicking or selecting the file format, you may receive some recommendations that will make the PDF easier for people with disabilities to read. I will encourage you to have a look into those recommendations, especially if you are sending your file to a wider audience. But for the purposes of these tutorials, we'll leave that for the meantime. To begin the conversion process, you have to click on the Save button. Clicking on the Save button will start the actual conversion of the PowerPoint process or file to a PDF file format. And you will see that the mouse will be engaged, turning into a blue ring. On some versions of PowerPoint, you may be able to see the progress bar, but it all depends on the size of your PowerPoint presentation or file. So let's click on the Save button. And there you go, you see the blue ring. Because our PowerPoint slides or PowerPoint presentation or file wasn't that many, the process was a bit quicker. So we could see that it's turned into the blue ring, and then the file has been converted into a PDF file already. So let's go into the folder that we chose, and there we go. We could see that the PowerPoint file has been converted into a PDF file format, and I'm just going to open it. So here you go. You can see that all the slides is been converted into a PDF format. So this is how you convert a PowerPoint presentation or file to a PDF file format. I hope this video was helpful. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel if the video was helpful, and comment below.